Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UK49 lunchtime tea time 16 May 2023. Lunchtime result, tea time result. 1721 two straight number in tea time. Better luck next time. UK49 lunchtime and tea time for 17 May 2023. Single numbers 0608 15 21 23 30 44. All numbers in double numbers 0608 0615 0621 0623 0630 0644 0815 0821 0823 0830 0844 1521 1523 1530 1544 2123 2130 2144 2330 2344 30 and 44. Single numbers, double numbers. 3 straight numbers 0608 15 0608 21 0608 23 0608 30 0608 44 08 15 21 08 15 23 08 15 30 08 15 44 15 21 23 15 21 30 15 21 44 21 23 30 21 23 44 23 30 44. 3 straight numbers. Take a screenshot. 3 straight number for the lunchtime and tea time also. 2 straight number, take a screenshot for lunchtime and tea time also. Single numbers for the lunchtime and tea time also. 0608 15 21 23 30 44. Thank you for watching. Take care.